Hello, I'm going to show you how to easily activate T-Mobile prepaid SIM card online. So to get started, go to home screen, choose T-Mobile prepaid eSIM, and there enter your email below to start activating a prepaid line or service on your eSIM. Enter your email address, choose next. If this screen appears, confirm your zip code and choose next. If this screen does not appear, enter your zip code under zip code/postal code and choose next. Choose done, choose next. Check your address and choose confirm. Choose an option, in this case simply prepaid. Choose next. Read the service terms and choose accept. Enter the payment information and choose next. Review your payment information and plan, optional. To make a change, choose the back symbol. Under PIN, enter 6 to 15 digit PIN for use with your T-Mobile account. Note, remember this PIN. You will need it for future use with your account. Under re-enter PIN, re-enter your PIN. Choose submit, choose continue, choose add cellular plan, choose a label for your new cellular plan, in this case primary, and choose continue. If this screen appears, choose OK. If the screen does not appear, go to the next step. Check the line you would like to use as the default voice, SMS, data, iMessage, and FaceTime. Optional to use your secondary line exclusively for data rather than voice. Check use secondary for cellular data only. Choose continue. Your new T-Mobile eSIM has been added to your iPhone. Return to the home screen.